Welcome back to my channel. This is IELTS Cambridge-16 test-1 reading passage 1. It's about why we need to protect a polar bear. In part 1, we solve true false not given. Here is the part 2. In part 2, we'll try to solve question from 8 to 13. It's a note completion, one word only. Reason why polar bears should be protected. Question number 8. People think of bear as unintelligent and dash. We have to use unintelligent and uh, in question mention like people think. People is our keyword. Bear unintelligent and something. Whenever we try to fill in the gap or table completion, the term here will be a noun, and we have to find out an the passage and some two thing like an and other thing in unintelligent, and this may not be correct. For example, in technology Joe bear has been seen using a branch of this a branch of something. They use this allow him to knock down some. They use it for why they use a branch of does something and they use it for why. A wild polar bear is keyword workout method of reaching platform where a dash was located. A polar bear have display behavior such as consciousness manipulation of object and activity similar to a dash. That's mean polar bear display some behavior, their behavior such as consciousness manipulation and one behavior and another behavior. You have to use another behavior, conscious manipulation. Bear have also display emotion. We have to find out emotion. For example, they may make movement suggesting dash if disappointed when hunting. Hunting disappointed is our keyword. Let's find people think unintelligent and tenojoju from the passage. In part 1, we have solved question from 1 to 7. We find our last answer of 7 here. Our 8 nong answer maybe start from there. So we will start reading from here. Medical benefit of polar bear certainly important in our conservation effort. As said that why they need to protect. That's why conservation start from here. We should not be factor conservation. We can protect animal. We think it's intelligent. Here is mentioned intelligent, in passages unintelligent, and process of emotion. Here is the process emotion. Lots of people make mistake has make emotion, but it is says people think of bear as unintelligent. That's we have to find out unintelligent and another thing, two things. So emotion will not our answer, such as elephant and primate bear. Other hand, elephant and primate. Bear on the other hand, seems to be perceived as stupid and may be case violent. Stupid has been stupid, that's been unintelligent, and people think that's we tend to want. We think people think that's mean we think intelligent and process of emotion such as elephant and primates. Elephant and primates are thought they are intelligent and emotion, but bear, other hand, the bear are opposite of them. In case of bear, they are perceived stupid, they are unintelligent, and maybe case of violent. Violent is answer no 8. Technology Joe bear has been seen using a branch of they use branch of something to allow to knock down some what need to find out technology Joe where it's located. Yes, we find out a male bear called Gogo in Tenoju Joe. Yes, O- Osaka. Osaka has been seen observed making use of tool. The use of tool multiplied in environment. The bear used a tree branch of multiple occasion, dislodged a piece of meat hang out of his reach. Okay, what says here? A male bear called Gogo in Tennoji-ju, Osaka even se- been has even been observed making use of tool. They use tool multiplicated his environment. The the bear used the tree bench. They used the tree bench multiple occasion. They used it. Question says in Tanjaju a bear has been seen using a branch. Why they use branch using as a what as a tool. T Hello, ls as a tools. They use branch as a tools. Why? This allowed to him to knock down something. Here is they use branch. Why? As a tools. The tools is answer on 9. And why they use it? They use it in occasion dislodge a piece of meat hang out of his reach. The meat is answer now 10. Meat. 11. A wild polar bear look out a method of reaching a platform. They use reaching a platform where a dash was located. Wild polar bear. A problem-solving ability has been witnessed. Wild polar bear. As we find, tools is the answer now 9. Meat is the answer now 10. And our next answer 11. A calculated move to a male involve running and jumping bear. Sorry. A problem-solving ability has also been witnessed in wild polar bear, although not to observe as with Gogo. A calculated move by a male bear involved running and jumping into the barrier, attempted to get to photographer standing on a platform. Here is the platform 4 meter high. Question number 11 says a wild polar bear work out a method of reaching a platform. The reaching a platform where a dash was located. Passage says a calculated move by a male bear involved running and jumping into barrier in an attempt to get a photographer. Here is the photographer standing on a platform for 4 meter high. That means they jump to get into a photographer. Question says while polar bear work out a method reaching a platform. They want to reach platform who is located to reach the photographer. Photographer is the answer now 11. Polar bear have display behavior such as consciousness, manipulation, object, activity similar to this. Their behavior. In other study shows focus. Yes. Manipulation, for example, observe best putting object, yes, pile, then knocking them over what appear to a game. AMS observe. AMS that means scientists who make research about this, about polar bear. Observe bear putting object in piles and then knocking them over in what appear to be a game. Harris said that Amis observed bear putting objects in piles, then knocking them over. It was appear to be a game. So game is answer number 12. Last question. Bear may also display emotion. Bear may also display emotion. For example, their emotion, we have to find the emotion when they are hunting. As for emotion, yes, we find emotion here. While the evidence is once again incidental, may bear have seen hit out the ice and snow, seemingly out of frustration when they just miss out on kill. Moreover, polar bear for unusual relationship, other species including playing with a dog, use the pool, shade and arcade. There is no anything. They disappointing when hunting. And whenever they disappointed, what they do? They make movement such as dash. Many bear have been seen to hit out at ice. They hit out at ice and snow. They hit out ice and snow. Why? Seemingly out of frustration. Whenever they become frustration, that time they hit at snow and ice because of the missing the kill. That means they missing their hunting. So frustration is the answer number 13. Thank you for watching this video.